In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We people are somewhat, many of us are a bit tricky. We are found tricking the people to get the things done, to push them towards doing what we want them to do. We are somewhat tricky. I'm not advocating it at all. Neither it should be. And nor, me too, I'm not tricky at all. But there is something very interesting which we are going to talk and which we are going to discuss about today. What is this? This is being a bit tricky with oneself. With oneself. For what? For getting a bit of more work done. For getting a bit of more work done. We need to become a bit tricky with ourselves. How? Sometimes we do a little bit of work and then we don't want to work further. Then we don't want to work more. What to do at that time? Tell yourself, don't tell that you have already done some work. Don't tell. Rather tell them that I have done nothing till now and I have yet to start. I have yet to start my work. I have yet to do my work. Giving this command to your mind, to your brain several times. We'll be inshallah get ready for another installment episode of the work. You will be willing to do a bit of more work. You will be willing to do a bit of more work. You might have to tell this thing repeatedly to yourself that I have not done anything else till now and I need to start my work. This is how to become a bit tricky with oneself. There are more things which could be of help. But take a bit of rest. Give a bit of rest, few minutes of rest only to your brain. Few minutes of rest be given to your brain. How? Focus on breathing. Try to empty your mind. Focus on breathing. Focus on breathing. Start focusing on your breathing process. Like you are inhaling and then you are seeing the air, the fresh air passing through all the system, going to the lungs, returning, exhaling, and leaving the freshness behind, making your lungs, your brain, and all of your body fresh. Do this. If you can count the breath, do it for 100 times. Counting will further increase the focus. Counting will further increase the focus. Plus, it will let you know that the time is over. Try to sleep for a few minutes if you are feeling drowsy. If you are feeling drowsy, if you can take nap for a few minutes, like it is like you are driving a vehicle and you still have to drive but you don't feel fresh, then go to the service area, go to a reasonable place, go to a restaurant and then try to take a nap. Close your eyes, even if you feel to sleep, even if you feel to fall asleep, still try to focus on breathing, and this will make your brain fresh, your body fresh. Then, still there another thing. Last but not the least, last but not the least, attach some sort of reward for the extra work you want yourself to do. Attach a bit of reward. What sort of reward could it be? Whatever you like. Like you want to eat something of your choice, could be an ice cream, could be something else. Give, attach somewhat, attach a bit of reward with it. Attach a bit of reward with it. That is how. That is how you can prepare yourself for another work you want to do, you need to do. That is what, that is how we can take a bit of extra work from we ourselves, and that is how to motivate ourselves for a bit of more work which we might not be otherwise willing to do, which we might not be otherwise willing to do. It is useful, it is good, it is tried, it is tested, it can be further improved by a person who is trying to practice it, who is trying to utilize the technique. It could be further improved as well. Thank you. Jazakallah.